What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to do a simple camera flash effect within Premiere Pro. So let's get right to it. Alright, now that we're in Premiere Pro, let's jump right into it. I'm gonna grab 2 clips and add them to my timeline. You could really just use one, but I'm gonna go ahead and use 2 for this example. This footage right here is from Visionary Art Group. Make sure y'all subscribe to his YouTube channel. Dope content, dope tutorials. Make sure y'all check them out. I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the frame size so it won't be so zoomed in. Then you go to where you want the flash to happen. I'm gonna make mine happen like right here. Perfect. Hit this button right here, export frame. Make sure you import it to your project. Once it's imported to your project, bring it to your timeline. Bring it to your marker. You can stretch it out or cut it however you want to do it. I'm gonna go and type in levels in my effects control panel. Drag that onto my screenshot. Come up to effects and controls. Make sure I'm still at the beginning of my screenshot. All we're gonna use is the RGB white input level for this effect. Hit the stopwatch right next to it. It's gonna create a keyframe. Make sure you're at the beginning of the screenshot. Gonna bring the levels all the way down to, I like to bring it to where we just see a little bit of the picture still. And then we're gonna go a few frames forward, however many you like. And then we're gonna just hit the reset button. It's gonna bring it back to normal. And then you could play it back. And then you got your camera flash effect. To adjust the speed of the flash, just click the screenshot and play with your keyframes. Closer they are, the faster the flash. Bang. 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 And you spread them out. The more you spread them out, the longer the flash. Alright. And to seal the deal, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go add a sound effect, camera sound effect. Go get a sound effect, camera flash sound effect. You can find them on YouTube. Just Google camera flash sound effects, and they should pop right up. Take it from right here. Use this first one, don't really matter. Then play it back and see what you got, and it's on point. And that looks pretty good. So that's it for this tutorial. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below on any tutorials that you want to see next. Premiere Pro, After Effects. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at creatived__. And I'm out.
Yeah, gang, gang. Got a lot of K, gang,
yeah.
Scoot up, gang.